from the Sweet Spot by TLF, an all-in-one system powered by the enterprise system gohighlevel. So today I'm sharing another how-to video, this time on how to personalize links from your high-level account, or in this case, from your Sweet Spot account. So the reason you do this is otherwise you'll end up with a very generic link. So if you're using Stripe or another payment processor, it will be very non-personalized, and so this is a way to add your personal domain to it. So navigate to your settings and go to the business profile. So this is for my own Sweet Spot account, and scroll down here to where it says branded domain. And so what you're going to put in here is a subdomain that you're not yet using for another funnel or anything. It has to be unique. And so what this will be used for, and this is important because you have to make it general enough that can be used for these two things. It's used for both payment links and for calendar links if you're just using the direct calendar widget and not creating a separate funnel and automation for your calendar. So just a note about that, I always recommend you create a specific calendar booking page with a thank you page and an automation as opposed to using the default settings. But sometimes you just need to get a calendar done quickly like I did today, and so you need to make sure you have this branded domain set up. So I know that I have several subdomains set up. So in this case, I'm going to try to go with links dot, and then I want to use my my business domain, the Sweet Spot, the Sweet by TLF.com. The Sweet Spot by TLF.com. And then you select the add domain. So then now it's going to go through the process as it would normally of adding a domain or subdomain. And if you've already done this, then it should connect easily with your domain provider. We'll see if it does that since we're recording this. Okay, it says that there's already a conflict. So let's go back and let's pick something else. So obviously I have something already set up for links, and I think I have something set up for Go. I like Go, but let's see if that works. I have a feeling I already have something set up for it because that's a pretty standard subdomain I set up for things. We'll see. No. Okay, so I'm going to do what I did for my other account. So I'm going to call this hub.thesweetspot.com. I think that's pretty general. I know that I'm not using that for anything. So let's see how we go. Okay, here we go. This time it is working. So it's going to redirect me to GoDaddy because that's where my domains are held. Now, in your high-level account, in your Sweet Spot, you can buy domains and you can manage them completely in there, which is pretty handy. I've always had mine with GoDaddy, but prior to even having this, so I'm going to keep that there. So it'll make you sign in. If it doesn't connect to your domain provider, you'll need to add them manually. So there you go. So now this branded domain will be at the beginning of any payment or booking links that I send to people. And so I'll give you an example as soon as it's done. One moment, please. All right, so that's all set up there. So now if I go to an existing payment link, this is one that I created for a client for an audit and refresh project. And so you'll see at the top in the domain, it says api.thesweetspot.com, which is fine for me because thesweetspot.com is my domain. But for anyone that's on my platform, or if you're on somebody else's platform or your own, it will say api dot whatever that group's name is .com. And so I'll show you now. I'll close this. And so here's, for example, one I created today. And so this is my other domain. And so you can see I created hub.taranandre.com. It'll still have this widget booking and a number, but that's fine. It should work just fine. Actually, it should say the name, but it's not. I probably didn't change it, so that's fine. Okay, so now that's set up. So now if I go to payment links, go to payments, choose payment links, and if I go to that same one and open it, it should, if I go copy and send, you can see now that it says, the copy says hub.thesweetspot. All right, and so that is how you create a domain, a customized domain for payment links and bookings. Thanks for listening.